In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Discord to Patreon. If you want to link your Patreon account with Discord so your community features work more smoothly, this is a quick process and it only takes a few taps. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without getting lost. To begin, open Patreon and log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're signed in, look for the settings area and tap on it. This is where Patreon keeps your account preferences and connection options, so it's the right place to start when you want to link another platform. After you're inside settings, go to More. This section usually contains extra account options that aren't shown right away on the main settings screen. If you don't see it immediately, just take a second to scan the menu carefully. When the drop-down menu appears, select Connected Apps. This is the section where Patreon lets you manage integrations with other services. In other words, this is where you can see which external platforms can be linked to your account. Inside Connected Apps, tap Discord. That will open the Discord connection page within Patreon. At this stage, you're essentially telling Patreon which service you want to connect, so make sure you choose Discord from the available options. Next, tap Connect. This is the final action that starts the linking process between Patreon and Discord. Depending on your device or browser, you may see a confirmation screen or be asked to authorize the connection. If that happens, simply review the prompt and continue so the accounts can be linked properly. And that's it. Once the connection is complete, Patreon and Discord will be tied together through your account settings. If the connection doesn't appear right away, give it a moment and refresh the page or reopen the app. Sometimes integrations take a few seconds to update. A helpful tip is to make sure you're signed into the correct Discord account before you connect, especially if you use more than one. That can help prevent linking the wrong profile by accident. It's also a good idea to double check the connected apps section afterwards so you can confirm that Discord now shows as connected. So to recap, you opened Patreon, went to settings, selected More, chose Connected Apps, tapped Discord, and then tapped Connect. That's the full process for connecting Discord to Patreon.